aming hapunan. Sobre, meron kaming inihaw na pork chop. Meron kaming ginisang repolyo. At syempre, yung aming, ang tawag namin?
Pancapsul.
Hindi, ito isa.
Siomay.
Siomay, special
Siomay
siomay.
lasagna.
Siomay lasagna, oh, lalaki oh.
Kailan?
Tsaka meron kami yan. Ginawa ni Mrs. yan, ha? Chili oil. Ay, tapos meron pang ngayon. So, sarap nito. Sarap ng aming kain ngayong araw na ito. Ay, so,
Oh, your hand's dirty.
your hands is dirty. Do you want to eat some pork? You like it? You like the pork?
Pork with toyo na.
Oh, here oh.
Huwag mong galawi. Ano? Asin ka muna, baba. Ayusin ko yung upuan mo. Go down. Ang dumi na pajama mo. Dali na.
Yung aming rice eh basmati yan, ano?
Halika na.
Yan ang nakasanayan namin basmati.
Cookies,
Siyempre.
right?
Dito ka.
Chop suey
Mamaya,
pala
wala
to.
pa sila ate.
Chop suey, yan. Ano ba yung chop suey na yan?
Eat something
Tsaka
though.
look at this, oh.
You want, ano?
Sarap yan, oh.
Ate, pa na.
Siomay, ang laki ng siomay. Ha? Ganyan ang siomay namin. Could you check? Could you check? What do you eat? What do you eat? What do you eat? Oy, sinausaw pa. You try it.
I'll give you toyo.
Come on. Oh, wow.
I'll give you toyo. You want toyo?
Wow, ang
Sour.
sarap.
Yeah, sour. Ito na lang.
Give it to me. It's mine. Mhm.
So why is this one
Ayaw
so
na
sour?
maasim.
Ah.
Okay, that's it. This is our dinner for tonight. Come on, kain po tayo.